So we left Leeds College of Music in 2007, started performing as a duo around Leeds in sort of the folk scene.
We made a couple of albums and then we got nominated for the Horizon Award at the Folk Awards, which was a big boost.
Yeah, in 2011 we were asked to be the support act on a big tour with Fairport Convention, which was like about 32 gigs up and down the country, opening for them every night, playing to their big audiences, which was a real sort of opportunity for us to grow our audience base.
Folk Award nomination for Best Duo, which was, another kind of good boost. And
it was about 2012 where we both went full-time musicians and sort of packed in the day jobs.
And it was felt like a big step, but actually was the best thing ever. Some tips we could give to folk musicians starting out would be just play as much as you can, do as many gigs as possible, and especially support slots with people where you might get to play to their audience.
Having another means of income whilst you build your name as a performer up to a level where people are willing to pay to see you play. Making sure you're on time, polite, making sure your gear works. If you're using electronic equipment, make sure it all works, make sure you've got spare strings, spare wires, that sort of thing.
Making sure that you've packed your ego carefully away so that it doesn't interfere with anything.
Down to the city I went with so intent to expand.
Probably don't be in a rush to make a first album straight away. Make sure that you're kind of building a following. Get some good quality recordings, and if you're studying here, you've got all the opportunities with the studios and the students who are studying recording. Good quality videos.
I think there's opportunities there, but I think you have to sort of work hard to make them available to you. There's a lot of places that won't even consider booking you unless they've seen you play. So the thing of a lot of folk clubs, there's opportunities to do floor spots, which is basically just go and sing a couple of songs at the start of the night. You don't get paid for it or anything, but you might get free entry to that night's performer, whoever's on. But that's a chance for the organisers of that folk club to see you and get to know you and as a performer. And so as many of them sort of things as you can do when you're starting out just opens up them opportunities further down the line for repeat bookings.